Hi, my Carrie. Here's that video that I promised you a while ago, how to add cards to your video. I'm also going to show you how to add tags in case you don't know how. Also, make sure that you put something in your description what your video is about. This is very important with your video. Also, your thumbnail. If you can edit a thumbnail, that would be great, and make that thumbnail special with you sticking out in it. That will attract people to you more. Thumbnails are crucial for your video. They must be really good. Also, go down, reel down, and go to show more. This will open up more. Carrie, I told you you can turn like allowing people. Okay, see right here it says show how many viewers like and dislike this video. You can click that box and let them do it, or unclick it so they can't do it anymore. And believe me, this will slow the trolls down on your video, because it's no fun if they, nobody can see your dislikes. It's no fun for them. Okay, that's number one. Okay, go back up. You'll see the tag area here. Okay, click in this box, and what you're going to do is you're going to write down what your video is about. My video is called Hello, so I'm going to put in HELLO, and you have to click a comma. Okay, also you can click like several ways to say hello, and again, you have to click that comma. It's very important, or the tag will not show right. You can also do this. You can go to YouTube. I know this is cheating, folks, but this works. Believe me, it works. Go to YouTube, open a new tab. Okay, and in that tab, do a search on hello. Okay, and in here, you can even put, say, Adele, hello. And this will pop up yours also, and you can put in that tag. Okay? You don't have to push a comma when you're copying it from it. Here's another one. Pop Smoke, hello. Just copy it. Okay? Copy it. It's kind of a cheat, but it will help pop your video up with the popular videos. You can also filter it as this week's hello. Okay, and this will also help you get up on that list a little bit more. Copy it and add it. Okay, just showing you this is an easy way to add tags to your video. Say you're a hunter or whatever, you put in hunting, and then you get the latest of the week videos, and you just kind of use the name, and we kind of help each other this way. We kind of balance it a little bit. Anyway, that shows that part. Before you can add any of the video elements, you have to wait for the video to completely load. You can't do anything until that video has loaded. So in the meantime, do your tags while you're waiting for it to load. Now, sometimes the checking point lasts forever here lately. As you can see, I'm going to turn my monetizations off. And the reason I'm doing that is because they keep on taking my money anyway. So I'm not going to have anything. And I'd rather have your views and grow bigger to make that penny. Okay, that penny a day. I'm sorry, I'm not dealing with the AdSense right now. I'm dealing with growing my channel. I'm dealing with entertaining my friends. And I really love to make friends and support other channels. So, as you will see in my cards, and this is the reason I make the cards. Okay, right here it says that no issues were found, and it's already completely uploaded. So I can now go into my video elements. I'm sorry this video is going to be a little bit long because I want to show y'all how to do this. Okay. Okay, now I already have mine set up in here, but I'm going to reset it so I can show y'all how to do it. Okay. Oh, well, I don't know how I got in here. Oh, I see what I did. I think. I do not know how I got in here. This must be something that they just added. Hopefully I can get back in here. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to go back to that. Okay, now I'm going to go to my ad screen. That second one down. I have no idea what the subtitles is about yet. I haven't studied that. So, and then I already have one set up here. So I'm going to click that over. And they're going to ask you your first time where you want your box. So you're going to click that, and then you're going to click on that edit pencil, and then you're going to add the box you want. It's that easy. You're going to go to here, and you know that's going to be yours. I think that's automatically on there. And then you're going to go to this one, click on it. You can add most recent upload or best for viewers. I add best for viewers. You can add most recent if you want. That way they can go to your other upload. Okay. But for me, I have it on best for viewers. Now you'll notice when you go down here, all of these are here, right? Well, sometimes the video goes over a video that you don't want it to. Well, I didn't make a very good ending, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to adjust this to go back a little bit so it can show a little bit of my video. Okay? And you can test it by clicking this. Okay? And then you just go up here and you save it when you get that set. Now you have your end screen. Now, this is your beginning screen. You add a card. Okay, I'm going to add one of my supporters' channels on here, because I'm going to support them back since they support me. And today it's going to be Carrie's. So Carrie, what you do is you go up and you copy their link, whoever it is that you're going to put on your channel. And then you're going to take it here and you're going to paste it. Okay, sometimes there's going to be several people with the same name, but after you find the person you want, which is you, Carrie, I'm going to click on that, and it's going to have you in there. Now you're going to have to put a custom message. I'm going to put my sweet friend you must meet. Okay, and you can't go over 30 letters. Right there. And I'm right at 30. And here's the teaser text, which will show in that eye up in the right hand corner. You see the eye up there? Okay, you're going to put in, okay, click here to join Carrie. Whoops. It'd be good if I get on there, right? Click. Why isn't it doing it? I don't know what's going on. Hold on. I think I put one too many. See if that helps. Yep, there you go. Click here to join Carrie. Okay, and then you're going to look here and make sure it's spelt right, and then you're going to push save. Sorry that I'm drawing this out so long, guys. I just want to be able to help my friend and any of you that need it. Now, make sure your check is in place, your check mark is in place. Now you're going to go to visibility. I'm going to schedule mine. I like to schedule mine ahead because I like to put I'm starting to put a teaser, or, you know, just telling people a good video is coming up in my community page. Okay, so I'm going to schedule this for tomorrow. You know, at 8 a.m. is what I normally put out for each day. So I'm going to put it out for tomorrow at 8 a.m. And then you're going to schedule it and you're going to save it. And that's pretty much it, folks. That is how I upload my videos daily. I hope I have helped you all with this. May God bless every one of you, and please be safe with this pandemic going around. No, I'm not afraid to say that because I am the host of my video. You can say that. There's a lot of rules made up from people out there. I don't know if it makes them feel special or something, but y'all need to look over your rules before you believe everything you're told. Anyway, I love you all, and God bless you again, and have a great day. I hope this helps.
Since you have been gone, like I was told, you're the only one I can't be sad with you.